Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a what I got from Summer Winds and Home Depot, and I'm going to do a little update on what I have currently growing in my office here. Excuse any messes please, but I will see you in just a sec. Alright, so like I was saying earlier, mind any messes, I'm currently cleaning. So let me point this down so it's a little easier to see. Okay, so I went to Summer Winds with my husband and we got these two bell peppers. One is a, let me see, a Purple Beauty. It's going to be a purple bell pepper, and the other one is, I do believe, this is purple. Where's the other one? Ah, here it is. Come on, give it up. It is a Better Bell. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. I do believe that one's just going to be a standard bell pepper. So these big ones here, they are $8.99 for those. My Better Bell has a bunch of little flowers starting. Well, one's official and then a bunch starting here. It's kind of a little beat up, but that's okay. It's got a lot of little growth on it, so even if I were to trim some of these bigger leaves off, these little leaves would just shoot right up and it'd be fine. Like this stem right here, I'm going to cut that down here because there's a little leaf right there. Alright, so from Home Depot, I got these Butter Crunch lettuces. This one is a little on the floopy side. This one not so much. And we've got these brassicas here, which are broccoli. Both of them are broccoli. These both are the same type of lettuce. And we're going to be putting those out in the garden. So hopefully I can get what's been going on in there. Ooh, you're getting a little floopy. And when I say floopy, I mean floopy. So I gotta take these back outside before too long, so I'm not gonna make this super long. But I also wanted to update you guys on what I've got going on over here. So for the sake of seeing, there we go, a little better. There. Okay, we'll turn that light on instead. Okay, so in here we have milkweed. There was 4 of them, but that one was the weakling of the bunch. I was hoping it might have stuck around, but when I got home it was just barely there. So I was like, alright, pink. But these 3 are milkweed. I had one outside. Either I didn't temper it right or something. It just didn't like it. So it might have been too cold. These ones here are supposed to be my Moon and Stars. And I didn't label them correctly again. So we have these right here. These over here and these over here. One of them is a tiger melon. One of them is a Kajori melon. I forget which one's which, but all in all they're both little melons, so it's not so bad. I just remember that these ones particularly were those because they look different. My problem is either it got too cold or something's wrong, but there's that. I'm not sure. But it looks like it's still growing its little leaf. Its little fuzzy spot. So, like it's supposed to be like one of those. These ones are showing the same thing. It's only these melons, so I'm wondering if it's just too cold. And then we have my zinnias. I have one outside. In fact, here, let me give you a little idea. I was trying to see if I can get it to grow roots for this big thing here. But this is the flower that the zinnia produced. It is a little less vibrant than it used to be, but still there. This was a redder color when it first came out. But that's what the flowers are supposed to kind of look like. I think mine was lacking a little bit of fertilizer, so I think it's a little too small, but that's okay. And then in here, I've got a butterfly milkweed. I don't know if you can even see that. The little dot right there, this one. That's the seed covering the leaves, and I don't know if you can take that off or not. I've tried like flicking at it, but it doesn't come off. That one there is, what is it? This one is my black poppy. Again, they're all small. There you go. These ones are rattle poppies. And then this should be my black tulip right here. I have all of these outside except for that one. That one's the newest one. But I have all these other ones outside. They're doing okay, but not so great. Alright, then here we have thyme and borage. We're waiting on those little guys there to finally emerge from the darkness. Okay, here is my ground cherries. They are Aunt Molly's ground cherries. Most of these seeds I either got from Baker Creek or I got from Gurney's for these particular varieties. Other than that, I've gotten a few packs from Summer Winds, but those are mostly like lettuce and cabbage and stuff. Alright, and then here we have some peppers that are supposed to be coming up. I didn't label them too well. And then this back one I did label pretty well, or it didn't rub off anyways. This is carrots. I am trying to see if I can get carrots to grow inside to put them outside, because the ones I put outside, the rainstorm like washed them away or something. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have set up for that right now. I do have these sitting under my lamp, and as a reminder, it has this little test in progress kind of stick around there so people don't turn it off. And so I just have it set up like this. It's about that far from the plants or so. So for some of the plants it's okay, for some of them they don't quite like that too much, so I adjust it when they get bigger and stuff like that. But yeah, just a small little what I got video, nothing super major. So let me turn this light off real quick. Alright, thanks again guys for watching. I will see you guys later. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be very appreciated. And stay tuned for more updates. Bye!